Guys, welcome back. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, today we're gonna cover a new surprise website. Now, this website is not meant for selling your art or design online, but it's a really important website that we're gonna be covering regarding your business perspective, regarding an online business, and how you could use for keeping your business safe legally. We're gonna be covering about this particular website. So without further ado, let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of cool free resources. The links are in description box below. And also I'm gonna place the link of the website that I'm covering in this video in the description box below. We do have the paid tools and free tools. You can very well check them out. The links are in description box below. You can support me in my channel, the Patreon. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos. A lot more stuff is there. The links are in description box below. Anyway, guys, let's dive in with this particular video. Now, today we have a secret website. Now, this may be secret or may not be, but it's not related to selling your art. It's related to your financial and tax important stuff for your business. That's really important. I know it may be boring for some of you guys, because I know in the beginning it was boring for me as well, but trust me, it's really important and essential for keeping your business safe, up and running. So the website is Legalese decoder.com. It's LEGALESEDECODER.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. But basically what they are doing, it's simple and easy for you to following your legal side of your business. So the Legalese decoder simplify everyday jargons and legalese instantly. You can try them for free. You can see they have been featured on the different magazines and different print medias and different news channels like the NBC, Bonanza, Digital Journal, Fox Business, and CBS, USA Today. Like, you can check them. They have been featured in a lot of them. But what exactly they do, we're going to talk about that and how you could use it. So designed to take a legal document as an input and output, a version of the document that is written in plain language, we use a combination of AI, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, that is the NLP. They are using the technology of the AI and the NLP and machine learning, that's the ML, techniques to analyze the structure and content of the legal document and identify key terms and concepts. It then uses a database of legal definition explanation to provide definition for these terms and concepts in plain language and rephrase the document using simpler, more easily understandable language. So basically what they're doing, they're gonna take the legal documents and we're going to make it simplified and easy for you using the AI technology, NLP technology, and machine learning technology. So you can try them for free and check how it works, and you can see what the other people are saying, the testimonials related to the website. Okay, so let's talk about their plans, how much it will going to cost, and they do have the free plan, so that's amazing. So the free plan is 150 words per limit. Obviously it's $0. One paragraph, 500 characters max, no saving. And then they have the premium plan. The first one is the home, that's $5.95. Okay, new double credits, you have 5,000 word limit, 10 pages approximate, 40,000 characters max, and you have a saving features which is about to come. So document generator, free upgrade coming, price plus for new members. So you can have a free 7-day trial for the premium plan, which is like home, $5.95. Then we have the professional plan, which is $49.95, 100,000 words limit, 200 pages approx, 800,000 characters max, plus all the features of the home plan and legal non-advisor answers and questions. So these are the plans they have. I would recommend you to, if you are interested in that, try with the free plan first and how it worked for you, in which you're getting 150 words limit, one paragraph, and 500 characters max. So basically we're going to talk about how it works and what exactly you need to do. So we know that they're going to use the AI, NLP, ML to analyze the legal documents and provide a plain language version of the document. For example, if you're starting with a company, an LLC, and you have all the legal documents and now you don't know what exactly it is and you want to make it simplified, because for a non-legal person like me and you, if you are not a lawyer or not from that particular background, it's going to be a little bit harder for you to understand the complicated languages of the legal papers. So they are making it simplified for us to understand the legal language of the documents. So if you're starting with a company, or even if you are a sole proprietorship, you would be having the legal documents, right? Because business registration is really important in the States. Wherever part of the world you are living in, business registration is really important. So that's why you need to know exactly what's there in your legal papers. Now, I know some people do hire the lawyers, but I think that hiring a lawyer could be expensive, and you can go with the free and then you can go with the paid. If you're interested in that, that would be way more cheaper than hiring a lawyer. But again, it depends from situation to situation, and I'm not a legal expert, so I can't give you exact solution for your problems, but I can give you this particular website which I came across recently, and I find it pretty interesting because it's pretty affordable, and also they are using the AI technologies and all that stuff, so that's pretty amazing. Now they do have the app. Now how exactly it's gonna work? The app algorithm identifies key terms and concepts in the legal document, and then uses a database of legal definitions and explanation to provide definition for these terms and concepts in plain language. The app then rephrases the document using simpler, more easily understandable language. So basically, what types of documents can I be used for analyzing via this particular app? The app can analyze a wide range of legal documents, including tax, agreements, and legal documents related to raising in capital and investment. If you are having actually looking for starting with a company and raising the funds with the venture capitals or whatever, one-time legal stuff is really important. Is the app available on the phone? That's another question. Currently, the app is only available as a web application. It's a web application. Use it on your mobile device browser. How do I use the app? You can simply upload the legal document on the web app, and app will provide a plain language version of the documents within minutes. That's amazing. Like, we see the AI being used in the art, in the designing, and in the other stuff, but now the AI is actually being used in helping the people understanding the legal financial documents of their company, of their business. So you can see that AI is actually broadening its terms, and it's being introduced in various different industries to help the people. So I think that this could be really new and interesting thing to come up, and I think that many companies would be coming up with that, or many businesses would be starting with such kind of startup. But again, this one is really interesting. You can start with the free, guys, 150 words max, and then you can see if it's easy for you, then you can go with the paid plan or with the professional plan. Like, two plans they have, home and the professional, whichever one you choose. So you can see the loan contracts, the car leases, mortgage, financing, rental agreements, life insurance, credit card agreements. So not only your business and company's papers will going to be analyzed by this stuff, but you can also do the loan contracts. You can also take a look at the car leases, like if you're buying a car or something like that. Mortgage financing, that's also great if you're purchasing a home. Also great for your rental agreements for your home, for life insurance, credit card agreements. So they are basically located in the United States, but built in Vancouver, Canada. And you can see the different criteria they have. They are mentioning like, they have a pretty broad perspective, and you can upload the documents in these areas to make it simple and easy language for you. So you could have a real estate, general contracting, medical agreements, air travel, moving companies, cryptocurrency exchanges, student loans, online gaming, online dating, freelancing, telecommunications. So they have a lot of the stuffs going on which you can use for this particular platform. Actually clicking on try for free, and I'm going over here. This interface is quite simple. You just need to paste your language or document over here, which is way more complicated, and then click over to the button, the decode, and it will going to be decoding and converting it into the simple plain language for you to understand. So that is about this particular website, Legalese decoder, for financial documents, for car lease, loans, medical agreements, home, life insurance. They are basically covering a broader perspective related to all the legal terms that people would be needing in their day-to-day schedules. So I'm gonna leave the link of this website in the description box below, and I'm an affiliate to it. So if you click on my link and purchase their premium plan, then I would receive a small percentage commission. Even if you don't purchase a premium plan, I would recommend you to try their free plan. That's all I'm saying. You don't need to go with the premium plan. Just because I'm an affiliate, you don't need to go with the premium plan. You can try the free plan and see whether it's worked for you or not. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about this particular platform or website or something like using an AI in the financing or in the legal aspect? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.